My friends, it's awesome. If you are in Murphy, I recommend it. River walk. Follow the river from the high school to the depot, the old train station. It's amazing, it's worth it. Always something new. The locals love to walk the dogs and enjoy it. Right now it's 56 degrees early in the morning. We're supposed to have rain, so I decided to come now. Awesome, I hope you enjoy it. I did a couple pictures. Talk to you later. See you. The old bridge for the train past to Murphy. As far as I know, I don't have 100%, but it's not active anymore. They have and works to do pedestrian trip. Small little cars, you move by hand. Bison City already has one. The view, it's amazing. Looks like the folks come here and kayak, fish. You can see the fish jumping. It's awesome.